Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to show you how to upgrade that dim, dingy halogen side marker light that comes factory on your 2024 F150 to a much brighter, deeper amber LED bulb from F150LEDs.com. The installation is easy. We're going to show you how it's done right now. To gain access to our side marker light here, we simply need to pull back on this wheel well liner, and there's going to take 3 bolts, one located here at the bottom, one located above it here in kind of the midsection, and then one here that's holding this wheel well liner to this plastic fender. Now we can use a size 7 socket to remove each of those bolts. Now with our 3 bolts removed, we'll be able to temporarily push this wheel well liner up and out of our way. With our liner removed, you'll be able to reach up behind this headlight assembly here and grasp the side marker light connector with a counterclockwise turn. It will unlock and it will allow you to pull this connector down. So this is our OEM factory side marker light bulb here. Just grasp at the base and pull it out. Then we'll be able to place it with our high-powered LED here, just like so. Now before you reinstall it, hit your unlock button on your key. If the light doesn't light, flip it 180 degrees. Okay, and once you verified that, we'll be able to reinstall it with a clockwise turn and then reverse the steps here with your wheel well liner and the 3 bolts, and we'll be done. So that's all there is to upgrading your side marker light here on your 2024 and up Ford Series F-150 truck. It's a great look. We guarantee you're going to love it. You can check them out today at F150LEDs.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube so you don't miss out on any of the latest and greatest LED products for your 2024 F-150. Plus, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We can't wait to serve you and look forward to seeing you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks, guys.